모든 건 우연이 아니야 그냥 나의 느낌으로 온 세상이 어제와는 달라 그냥 너의 기쁨으로 네가 날 불렀을 때 나는 너의 꽃으로 기다렸던 것처럼 우리 시리도록 펴 어쩌면 우주의 섭리 그냥 그랬던 거야 You know I know.
G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this Serendipity inspired makeup look. For those of you who don't know, Serendipity is a song by Jimin from BTS, Park Jimin. And if you have seen the music video, which I will link down below in the description, you'll understand exactly why and how I got this inspiration for this galaxy kind of look. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, I kind of made it up on the fly, so there's a couple of little mistakes, but yeah, if you want to see how I created this, then keep on watching. So as you can see, I have already put my foundation and I've done my eyebrows, and that's about it. So I don't know if this is actually going to work. We'll find out, Alexis, won't we? Let's do this. Okay, so I've done the base of this. It doesn't look too bad. I don't mind it. Yeah, I'm just kind of making this up as I go along. For those of you who don't realize just how much I'm not paying attention, I'm just gonna putting stuff down wherever I feel like it. So I'm now going to go in with my one of my glitter paints that I have. I just dropped a paintbrush. Give me 2 seconds. I'm just going to go in with one of the glitter paints I have and yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just kind of, like I said, I'm filling this. I don't know what these are. Might get rid of those. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of those. That's gonna get rid of my foundation. That's alright. Sorry if that was a weird cut there. I was just fiddling. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and put my Kindy Glitz Crystallina glitter paint on and see how we go. Alright, so I've just put a little bit of that over the top to give this a little bit of sparkle. And now we're going to go in and do the constellations, so the stars and that sort of thing, with my trusty old face paint, because I have nothing else I can use for it. I think this is a little bit uneven and it's going to bother me. Surprise, surprise, Alexis did something uneven. Oh, that doesn't fix it at all. Oh. Oh, I don't like when stuff is uneven. Okay, anyway. That, yeah. Alright, let's go in with this paint. Okay, now I'm just going to add the finishing touches to this one. I think it looks okay. I made it up on the fly, so sorry, I burped. But yeah, yeah, let's finish this off. Alright, and there you have it, my Serendipity inspired makeup look. I like it. I think it's a bit cute. But yeah. For a first attempt at like a galaxy makeup look, I think this is alright. I also really love my new chair because it's super comfy. But that's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Believe in yourself and be you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.
Just let me love you. Just let me love